Ohio Pools and Spas has been in business since 1957. We are family owned and operated and serve all of northeastern Ohio with our 3 locations. We have one in North Olmsted, one in Mayfield Heights, and one in North Canton. All 3 of our locations offer a full line of family recreational products, whether it be swimming pools, hot springs, hot tubs, saunas, or billiard tables, as well as a full line of chemicals and free water testing. Ohio Pools and Spas has won numerous awards in the swimming pool and hot tub industry, including Dealer of the Year from Hot Springs Spas. Recently, Ohio Pools and Spas won the prestigious Loxton Thompson Award. Over 700 dealers strive to receive this award for commitment to excellence, leadership, and dedication to its customers. Visit us on our website at www.ohiopools.com and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.